Hello friends, welcome to my channel BSc Education. Today we will learn about the Galilean transformation. The equation which provides the relationship between the coordinate of two different systems are called transformation equation. This equation referred by Galilean transformation. Now, let a frame S dash which is moving with constant velocity v relative to an inertial frame S itself inertial. For our convenience, if we assume the origin of two frame consists at t is 0, the coordinate axes of the second frame are parallel to that of the first, and the velocity of second frame relative to the first. Then the position vector of a particle p at an instant t in the two frames are relative by the equation r dash is equal r minus vt. In the component form, the coordinates are relative by these equations. Equation first and second expressed the transformation of coordinate from an inertial frame to another, and they are referred as Galilean transformation. Form of equation first and second depend on the relative motion of two frame of reference, but it also depend upon certain assumption regarding the nature of time and space. It is assumed that the time is independent of any particular frame of reference. If t and t dash be the time recorded by the observer O and O dash of an event occurring at p, then t dash is equal to t. The Galilean transformation equations are as the other assumption regarding the nature of the space is that the distance between two points is independent of any particular frame of reference. If a rod has length L with the end coordinate x1 and x2, then L is equal to x2 minus x1. If at the same time the end coordinate of the rod in S dash is x1 dash and x2 dash, then L dash is equal to x2 dash minus x1 dash. From equation third, we have x2 dash minus x1 dash is equal x2 minus x1. So now L dash is also equal to L. So the length or distance between two points is invariant under the Galilean transformation. It is to be mentioned that the Galilean transformation are based on the two assumptions. There exists a universal time t which is the same in all reference systems. The distance between two points in various inertial systems is the same. Now we are discuss about the Galilean law of velocities and acceleration. We have the Galilean transformations are as equation first. On differentiating equation first, keeping v is constant, we get the equation second. We have u dash is equal u minus v, where u dash is the velocity of particle relative to frame S dash and u is the velocity of particle relative to frame S. Thus, we can say that the velocity of a body is not invariant under the Galilean transformation. The inverse transformation from frame S dash to S is obviously given by u is equal u dash plus v. And this equation are known as Galilean law of addition, law of velocity. So now a dash is equal to a. We can say that acceleration is invariant under the Galilean transformation. Thank you for watching this video.